Hello my lovely viewers, happy new year to you all. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, you are welcome to Akudo's kitchen. In today's video, I will show you how to make burger buns at home. After watching, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. The ingredients that I will be using today are 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 60 grams of melted butter, 7 grams of dry yeast, 3 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 whole egg, and 150 milliliters of warm water. So let's start. The first thing is to pour the water into your bowl. Add in your dry yeast, followed by 50 grams of flour. And whisk. Cover and allow to rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is how it should look like. Then add in your melted butter, your egg, and whisk. Then add in the remaining flour, the salt, and the sugar. And mix everything together. Dust your working area with flour. And transfer the dough onto it. Then start kneading. After kneading it, you will get a soft dough like this. I've oiled my bowl. Place the dough inside the bowl. And cover with your kitchen towel and allow to rest for 1 hour. As you can see, our dough has risen. Sprinkle some flour on your working area. Roll it out. And cut into equal pieces. And mold all of them like this. After that, you cover and allow to rest for 1 hour. These are our burger buns after resting for 1 hour. Now it is time to egg wash them. I have 1 egg and a tablespoon of milk here. Now sprinkle some sesame on each of them. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes at 140 degrees centigrade. We have come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.